morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at work. It is garbage o'clock. Shout out to Jesus. It's been a while since I posted out here, and I haven't really broke down. I broke down yesterday, but it wasn't major. Check this out. So it's Halloween. I don't know if there's anything to do with that, but I ride with Jesus, so I don't think so. Here's my truck. This is my second load of the day here on Halloween. And the first load, I came in through the scales, and they actually gave me a treat. So trick or treat, my first trick or treat was here at the landfill. The second time I didn't get no treat, I actually got a trick. Check this out. Tires flat. Look at that. Wait, it does not end there. This has never happened to me. Double flat tire, unbelievable. Both of the outer tires flat simultaneously. I think I know what it was. I took a picture of it. I'll try and add it here now. So it's gonna be on my second and third axle. First, second, and third. Outer tires. Driver's side. For you, it's the passenger side, but on garbage truck, it's the driver's side. So 2 flat tires. And looks like I gotta hurry up and wait. Alright. I'll see when the hot dogs come over here and rescue me, bring me 2 tires. It's gonna be a while. I am due for a lunch, so there's obviously nowhere to get lunch over here, so I'm just gonna have to postpone my lunchtime. There's the 5 freeway. There's some trash juice down there. Look at that. And the rain still hasn't evaporated. I think I see the rescue machine over there. Oh, they're blocking me. There it is. The tire truck. Yay. Brand new tires. Hopefully they're Pirellis. I'm actually surprised how fast they got here. Alright. I settled for some Michelins. We got the Gatling gun over here. Sprayed some lube in there. I'll be ready to go before you can say a cat in a hat. Easy does it. That looks crazy without that. Just kidding, it's not Michelin, it's Apollo. Never heard of it. Well, one of them was a Goodyear. That's it, we're ready to go. Got my paperwork.